For your before exterior inspection checklist, start by reviewing the 781. While over the rail, visually inspect both the seat and canopy pins are installed and that the seat lever is safe. You can lay your pubs kit and helmet bag on the seat while we're performing the remaining steps. Flowing left to right, check the flaps match actual flap position, gear handle physically checks down, master arm CMD switch are safe and the pedal heat is off. Make the squadron standard call out, 2 pins, seat safe, handle down, heat off. The rear cockpit occupant should call out 2 pins, seat safe. An acceptable technique is to install the DTC at this point. Turn the battery switch on, apply external power if available, set the EED to day. While the EED is initializing, stow your pubs kit and helmet bag. Next, check your seat. Check that both the left and right top latches are flush with no exposed yellow markings. Peel back the back pad to expose and check the O2 gauge. Make sure it's between 1800 and 2500 psi. An acceptable technique is to adjust the backrest at this point if required. Verify the emergency O2 hose is connected to the seat and also to the quick disconnect. Ensure the ADU mode selector is set to auto and move the SSK and lap belt away from the cushion. Next, ensure that the leg restraint lines are in place and that the upper and lower garters are set up in accordance with the squadron standards. If performing a battery start, check the fuel and oxygen gauge operation and quantity by momentarily holding the oxygen fuel switch and gauge test, then quantity check until the fuel quantity stabilizes. Note the fuel low caution should remain on until greater than 250 pounds and then extinguish. Check the oxygen pressure on the regulator to verify it's less than 120 psi. Set the TCAS, MDP, and EGI to off, wafer switch to norm. Set the UFCP HUD to off, auto/day. Set the MFD off and the EED off. Ensure the standby attitude indicator is caged and locked, and turn the battery off. With external power, check the fuel quantity on the EED and oxygen quantity just above the regulator. Check the oxygen pressure on the regulator to verify less than 120 psi. Set the avionics activation panels as TCAS, MDP, and EGI to on, and the wafer switch to norm. Set the UFCP/HUD power to on and auto or day. Set the MFD to day. It's acceptable to complete portions of the interior inspection checklist over the rail. A common technique is to physically check all the red guarded switches. Landing gear doors normal, aux flap switch normal, fuel shutoffs normal, boost pumps on, generators on, cabin pressure switch to cabin press. As a technique, most aircrew turn on the anti-collision beacon so it can be checked on the walk-around. Now begin the exterior inspection checklist walk-around.